is the Santa Domino train set. And check this out. It comes with this sleeve as well as 80 dominoes. So you can lay down your dominoes in a row, in a circle, however way you want. And it's so fun for both little ones as well as adults too. And it's also very easy to do. All you need is 2 AA batteries for it to work. And it also makes train noises, as well as it says, ho, 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 Merry Christmas. And it also says, we wish you a Merry Christmas song, as well as jingle bells too. And this is so easy to put together. All you have to do is put them 1 by 1, just like that, or 2 by 2. And if you want, you don't have to spread out the colors red and green. I just chose to do that, but it's all up to you. Okay, now that we have it all filled up, I'm going to slide this on just like this. And now I'm going to attach it onto the train. And I'm going to adjust the wheels so it goes in a circular motion. And then I'm going to push this button for it to start. So here we go. Isn't that cool? And it has realistic horn. So as you heard, those were the songs, and now for the fun of pushing on the dominoes. Here we go. Woohoo! That was really fun. Here's a close-up of the Christmas train. And there's Santa, and he's the train conductor. And this is the button you're going to be pushing to start it up. This also changes the direction of the tires to make it go left, right, or straight ahead. Up here is where you're going to be putting the sleeve so it can drop the dominoes out from the back side. This is what the dominoes look like. You're going to get them in both green and red, and you're going to get 80 of these, and they measure approximately 1¼ inches in length. And this is what the domino sleeve looks like, and it's very easy to fill up, and when you're ready, you just slide it in, and it locks into place. Then you're going to attach this into the train. And this is how you attach it into the train, just like this. And 34 dominoes fit inside this 10-inch sleeve. I was sent this from Prex, and I think it is awesome. And I think you will think so too. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.